Hey guys, Joe Massey here with Castle & Cook Mortgage Company. I want to talk to you today about conventional financing. Very popular program that I'm sure a lot of you have heard of. I'm sure you've heard in the news Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. They are the main two conventional financing agencies that we work with. Lots of confusion about conventional financing. What are the rules? What are the guidelines? I want to touch on it just briefly today to give you a good idea, and then would like to invite you to our upcoming Lending 101 class where I'll give you a lot more in-depth details. First off, the important thing to know about conventional is going to be your down payment. A lot of people think that it requires a minimum 20% down payment. That's actually not accurate. Minimum down payment on a conventional loan is actually 3% for certain qualified borrowers. Many borrowers can qualify with as little as 5% down. There's also options for 10%, 15, 20, 25%. Of course, anything that you do not put down a full 20%, you will have mortgage insurance. There's options for one-time upfront mortgage insurance, monthly mortgage insurance, split premium where you pay a portion of it up front and a portion on a monthly basis, and then of course lender-paid mortgage insurance where you would not pay it on a monthly basis but you may have a slightly higher interest rate. So that's one of the things we'll cover with you and your clients as we're going through a conventional loan application. We're going to look at what's their payment goals, what are they trying to accomplish, how comfortable are they with mortgage insurance, how much do they have for a down payment. Other important benefits on conventional are minimum credit scores. You can go down to as low as a 620 credit score. Generally, if you're below a 660, we're going to compare with FHA and see if FHA might be a better plan for the client. But in some cases, it does make sense to stick with a conventional loan down to that 620 credit score. Ownership types. You can actually use conventional financing to purchase a primary residence, a second home, or an investment property. Of course, as you use it for different purposes, there may be varying levels of mortgage insurance, varying degrees of down payments required, but conventional financing is very flexible on the purpose that you can use it for. Property types on conventional, also very flexible. Can use it for single-family homes, multi-units, 2 to 4 unit properties, townhomes and condos, and maximum loan amounts in the Denver metro area for a single-family home would be $417,000. Another nice feature with conventional financing is you can have the seller pay up to 3% of your closing costs in most circumstances. Depending on how much you put down, sometimes that may be more or maybe less, and we would want to talk through those specifics, but generally you can ask for up to 3% of the purchase price to be paid towards your closing costs. That's going to help you or your client purchase the property and really have to only bring that down payment, no additional money out of the pocket to pay for those closing costs. So again, I would encourage you guys, if you have specific questions about conventional loans, please feel free to call me at 303-809-7769. Also, we're going to be offering our upcoming Lending 101 class. You can find that on the Your Castle Business Center or on the weekly email that goes out on Sundays. And then feel free to contact me to RSVP, or if you have specific questions in the meantime, again, feel free to call or email anytime. Thanks, and I look forward to speaking with you.